What if one freelance skill could pay like a full-time job without an office boss or fixed schedule? Many people think freelancing means small gigs, low pay, and unstable income, but that is only true when you choose basic skills that thousands of others are offering. The real money is in specialized skills that help businesses make more sales, save time, reduce risk, or build important systems. With the right approach, you can turn your expertise into a steady, high-paying freelance career that grows over time. In today's video, we'll explore freelance skills that can replace a full-time job and how the right skill can turn freelancing into a serious career path. Let's get started. 1. AI and machine learning engineering. AI and machine learning engineering is one of the highest income freelance skills today. This is not just basic prompt writing. This skill is about building useful AI systems that help businesses save time, reduce costs, or improve operations. Companies may need custom chatbots, automated workflows, data tools, or AI systems connected with their existing software. A freelancer who can fine-tune models, connect tools, and test results can charge much more than someone who only uses AI casually. This skill can replace a full-time job because businesses see direct value. If an AI system saves hundreds of work hours or improves customer support, the client understands why it is worth paying for. The key is building AI solutions that are useful, safe, and reliable. 2. Cloud architecture and DevOps. Cloud architecture and DevOps are powerful freelance skills because modern businesses depend on online systems. Websites, apps, databases, payment tools, and dashboards all need stable cloud infrastructure. Cloud freelancers help set up platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. They manage secure databases, automate deployments, monitor servers, and reduce downtime. Companies often hire freelancers for setup, migration, audits, or urgent fixes instead of hiring a full-time expert. This skill is valuable because it protects business operations. If a freelancer improves speed, reduces server costs, or prevents downtime, the result is easy for client to see. For technical people, cloud and DevOps can become a strong freelance career. It is also a skill that grows with experience, because every project teaches you more about security, performance, and scaling. Once clients trust your ability to keep their systems running smoothly, they are more likely to return for ongoing support. 3. Cybersecurity consulting. Cybersecurity is a serious freelance skill because digital threats are increasing. A single data breach can cost a company money, reputation, and customer trust. That is why businesses pay well for experts who can find weaknesses before attackers do. Cybersecurity freelancers may audit websites, test systems, check access permissions, review networks, or help companies follow privacy and security rules. Some focus on penetration testing, while others focus on compliance or cloud security. This skill can replace a full-time job because the risk is expensive. A business may not need a full security team, but it may pay for audits, reports, and emergency help. Trust, ethics, and clear communication are very important in this field. 4. Full stack and advanced no-code web development. Web development is still one of the strongest freelance skills, but the highest paying work goes beyond simple websites. Businesses need systems that help them sell, manage customers, take bookings, process payments, or deliver services online. Full-stack developers can build dashboards, marketplaces, membership platforms, SaaS products, and custom tools. Advanced no-code developers can use platforms like Webflow or Bubble to build useful products faster and at lower cost. This skill can replace a full-time job because every business needs online solutions. The key is not only making something look good, but making it fast, mobile-friendly, easy to use, and connected to a business goal. 5. UI and UX design strategy. UI and UX design can lead to strong freelance income because better design can improve sales, signups, and customer experience. UI is how a product looks, while UX is how it feels and works for the user. A UI/UX freelancer may design app screens, website layouts, wireframes, prototypes, user flows, or product dashboards. They help businesses understand where users get confused and how to make the experience easier. This skill is valuable because poor design costs money. If a checkout page is confusing or an app feels difficult, customers leave. A good UI/UX designer helps reduce friction and makes digital products easier to use. 6. Direct response copywriting. Direct response copywriting is a strong freelance skill for people who enjoy writing and marketing. This type of writing is designed to make readers take action, such as buying, booking, joining, or clicking. Freelance copywriters may write landing pages, email campaigns, ads, product pages, video scripts, or sales funnels. The goal is to understand the customer's problem and explain the solution in simple, persuasive language. This skill can replace a full-time job because businesses always need better messaging. Good copy can increase sales, improve ad results, and bring customers back. The best copywriters research the audience and write in a way that feels clear, human, and convincing. 7. Performance media buying. Performance media buying is a high-income skill because businesses spend money on ads every day. They need people who can manage campaigns on Google, Meta, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn and turn ad spend into profit. A media buyer chooses audiences, tests creatives, manages budgets, tracks results, and improves performance. The goal is not just clicks, but leads, sales, bookings, and return on ad spend. This skill is valuable because results are measurable. If a freelancer helps a business spend less and earn more, the client can clearly see the value. Strong media buyers use data, testing, and discipline instead of guessing. 8. Advanced video editing and corporate media. Video editing is no longer just cutting clips together. Businesses need polished videos for ads, social media, product launches, corporate training, YouTube, and events. Advanced editors create pacing, captions, sound design, transitions, motion graphics, and emotional flow. A good editor can turn raw footage into content that feels professional and keeps viewers watching. This skill can replace a full-time job because video is everywhere. Brands need reels, testimonials, sales videos, explainers, and corporate content. AI can help with rough cuts and captions, but human taste and storytelling still make the final video strong. 9. Fractional CFO and financial consulting. Financial consulting is a powerful freelance path for people with business, accounting, or finance knowledge. Many startups and small companies need financial guidance, but cannot afford a full-time CFO. A fractional CFO may help with budgeting, financial models, cash flow planning, pricing, funding preparation, or investment decisions. This work can be project-based or part-time. This skill can replace a full-time job because it deals directly with money. If a freelancer helps a company avoid cash problems, prepare for investors, or understand profit margins, the value is clear. Accuracy, trust, and simple explanations are essential. 10. Systems, CRM, and data analytics. Systems and data skills are valuable because many businesses use tools, but do not use them well. Their CRMs, spreadsheets, dashboards, and internal processes are often messy or disconnected. A systems freelancer may set up CRM pipelines, automate follow-ups, connect tools, and organize internal workflows. A data analytics freelancer turns raw numbers into dashboards and insights that help companies make better decisions. This skill can replace a full-time job because it saves time and improves clarity. When a business can see its numbers clearly, it can act faster and smarter. A freelancer who makes systems simple and useful can become very important to the client. 11. Business skills that make freelancing work. Having a high-income skill is only half the journey. To replace a full-time job, freelancers must also learn pricing, lead generation, communication, and project management. The first habit is value-based pricing. Do not charge only for hours. Charge based on the outcome you create, such as more revenue, save time, reduce risk, or better systems. The second habit is consistent lead generation. Freelancers should keep networking, sending proposals, sharing case studies, or reaching out even when they are busy. This helps avoid the feast or famine cycle. The third habit is project management. Clients want clear timelines, deliverables, and updates. Organized dashboards, checklists, and boundaries make a freelancer look professional and trustworthy. And there you have it. Freelance skills that can replace a full-time job. The best freelance careers are not built on random low-paying tasks. They are built on skills that help businesses increase revenue, save time, reduce risk, improve systems, or make better decisions. AI engineering, cloud work, cybersecurity, web development, UX design, copywriting, media buying, video editing, finance, CRM, and data analytics can all become serious income paths when developed properly. Start with one skill, build proof, learn how to sell outcomes, and keep improving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which freelance skill you would choose first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.